Guys, it's your boys Joel
and Michael
here, back for another video, and today we have a guest.
My name's Julia.
She's basically our sister.
No, like I am.
Alright, so today we're at this lovely park for my brother's scout thing, and since everybody's just kind of messing around right now, we decided to take a walk and maybe have a little adventure. So right now we're just kind of out here walking around, beautiful great outdoors. So we're walking through this lovely row of trees, and got a house right there.
10 out of 10 commentary.
10 out of 10 commentary right there.
Did you say you know how to get Anna's to Anna's in here?
Yeah, let's go to Anna's.
So we're just gonna shoot, run. Okay, so we just started running down into this creek, and we almost ran into a bunch of poison ivy.
Michael, look at this. We almost ran into.
I don't know if you've ever had poison ivy, but it is not good. Okay.
$50.
So now that we're out of that poison ivy, we found this open sewer cap.
Let's go David Govert's vlog.
Might jump into it, probably not though.
Julia, there's like 10 poison ivy right there. Okay, Colin. Okay, Julia.
I'm so sweaty, I just want to wipe my face.
We don't know how far down it goes. Okay, so we found another way down to the creek. There's still poison ivy everywhere, but maybe we can go around it. So we've made our way down to this creek, and we're trying to figure out how to get down. We're gonna try to get down here to see what we can find. So guys, we finally made it down to the creek, and we found this sewer pipe, and I think we're gonna go down and explore it. Alright, so we're going down into this tunnel. I'm right behind. Michael's right behind me, and I have no idea what is in here. I can hear running water. I'm kind of scared. Hiya, Georgie. I'm kind of scared to see what's down here.
Dude, I don't even want to come.
Let me go.
Shut up, you.
Dan, we're going this way.
Dude,
You right behind me?
Yep, it's okay.
Make sure you don't get
There's
your
probably
feet
like
wet.
poop all over the wall.
That's toilet water.
Alright, oh, I see where it leads.
Michael, I'm not going down.
Is it light?
So there's actually another way up.
Oh, is that where that freaking tunnel was?
This is all it goes. I mean, we could probably go through there,
Wait,
but I
does it
think
go
this
like
is
lower? It looks like it goes
as
lower.
far as we're gonna go.
Guys, do you
So this is what we ended up finding. Just a big pipe and another little pipe. Whoa, okay, never mind.
Okay guys, so it's like a little bit later. We just finished eating. Well, actually finished eating like a while ago, but we're back above ground again. And yeah. Should we go back into the forest and like take a different route or something?
It's so humid.
I don't know.
No. Hey guys, it's Callie from the last video.
Shut up, Callie.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Poison ivy everywhere.
It's good for your skin, I heard.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. It makes these red dots. It's really.
Alright, so
At least they're not you, Julia. That would be terrible.
I'll go back into the sewer.
Michael, this way's easier.
Over
Alright, well, I'm gonna end the video because it's probably gonna be like really bad camera quality. So, I'm trying to climb. Okay, guys, so it's like 3 hours later. The pipe is just like right over there, and we had to go like all the way back around and come through this little trail to over here.
Michael, look.
So we're on like this little like brook type thing. Julia left us. She's like up in the woods finding Bigfoot.
Michael, look over there. It's like perfect. There's no rocks or anything.
It's beautiful.
Oh, now I need a whiz.
Why wouldn't it let me? Oh, I am taking pictures.
Michael, that's in your video. Oh, I need a whiz.
Yeah, I know. I'm not gonna edit that out either. So there's like this really weird.
Where's
pipe
Julia?
thing.
Did she go back?
She went to find
Julia!
Bigfoot, I'm pretty sure.
Nice commentary right
Dude,
there.
what is this? This is like a freaking dead bear.
Oh my gosh.
Nose.
Hey, stop hitting it. Maggots are probably gonna fly out of it.
There's like a cricket in it or
My
something.
maggots don't fly, never mind.
I already cut it and like something cricket hopped out of it.
Ew. Dude, we should take that home. Use it as a rug
Use
or
it as a
something.
bird.
Look at this. This is like
Michael, look at that.
Oops.
Michael.
Alright, right before we end the video, Callie wants to look manly and throw this rock.
Oh my gosh.
Woo.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Callie, flex.
What?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Alright. Are you gonna throw a rock too?
Well, Callie just took my idea, so.
I think I might have even missed.
Oh, no, guys,
Oh my gosh, I thought you were gonna smash that over Callie's head.
no, what is this?
Mine.
What is that? Oh, it's like a credit card. Okay, I think we're gonna end the video here, guys. Hold on.
Hey guys, I think we're gonna call it a day. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please do like and subscribe. I guess we'll see you guys later.
Alright, see.